Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale, here to share the July 2023 Double Shot Kit. So the Double Shot Kit is the smaller of our collection kits that comes out each month, and it includes 2 brand new collections. You'll receive 3 sheets of cardstock, 3 pattern papers, and lots of embellishments and inspiration. Along with your kit, you'll receive a free exclusive cut file. These are designed by Cut to You just for the Scrap Room. And this month's cut file is the Summertime Fun with the flip-flops. So this is a great cut file that you can use all together as a title or break it apart and just use pieces. So it's going to go perfect with this kit this month. You could use the whole thing with Echo Park's Sun-Kissed collection. You could use the Summertime Fun without the flip-flops if you want for our photo play paper Land That I Love collection. So let's dig in. We're going to take a closer look at each one of these. Our first collection we're going to look at is from Echo Park, and this is Sun-Kissed. So this is a great summer collection. You can document your pool photos out in the sun playing, if you have kids in the splash pad, just going out for an afternoon and having some cold iced tea, anything, ice cream. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of a white cardstock and a sheet of cherry cardstock. Your pattern paper is this beautiful Summer Vibes floral print. The back is that cherry red plaid. Looks like a gingham tablecloth. That paper is called Tropical Floral. Then we have these cute suns with their sunglasses and the clouds on the blue. The back is a plaid with all of the different colors. We have this paper that has the waves on it. I love that little twist on a stripe. And the back is the 3x4 cut apart, so lots of options there. Fussy cut that out and have some fun. Food is better from the grill. So that is your patterned paper. For your embellishments, you're going to get 2 of the sticker sheets from the sticker book. So these will vary, but these are the ones that I got. I just love that pool. And then you're going to get 1/5 a pack of the enamel dots. So the colors will vary, but they will coordinate with this kit. So that is Echo Park Sun-Kissed. Our second collection in the double shot is Land That I Love from Photo Play. So who is ready for the 4th of July and some ice cream and fireworks? So you're going to start with 2 sheets of Velvet Night cardstock and 1 sheet of white cardstock. Your pattern paper is this one called Cold Soda, and it's all the bottle caps with different 4th of July icons on there. Super cute on the blue. The back is a firework starburst print. We have this paper called Rocket's Red Glare, and it's got this little, it reminds me of the little satellite fireworks. That's cute, just a tone on tone. And then the back is just full of firecrackers and rockets, the smoke bombs. Then we have this paper called Picnic Table, which is just a gorgeous plaid. I love that. That's good any time of the year. The back is more 4th of July icons. We have Uncle Sam's hat and stars and the flags. So one more look at the pattern paper. Definitely ready for the red, white, and blue. For your embellishments, you'll get the full 12x12 sticker sheet. So we have a border of the bottle caps, which is a lot of fun. Large titles of America, USA. Tons of word labels here. Love the sunglasses with the flag. More fireworks, the grill, ice cream. So that is Land That I Love from Photo Play paper. One more look at your double shot kit. Be sure to check out all the other kits available. We have the flavors of the month, the shots of life, we have a card kit, lots of individual items in the store. So check all of those items out and then join us on the Facebook group for the challenges and the inspiration. There is so much going on. We have a lot of fun and we want you to join in. So thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.